Hello class. This is the last video of the semester, and this is the volume of solids part 2. This is essentially going to be just a couple of examples, a few final examples, and it's going to be for finding the volume of a sphere and a cylinder. So the volume of a sphere is really quite as simple as finding the volume or finding the surface area of a sphere, except for instead of it being 4 pi the radius squared, it's 4/3 pi, and the radius is going to be cubed now. Okay. So the radius here of this sphere is 3. Essentially all I'm doing is plugging the 3 in for the radius, and I get 4/3 pi times 3 cubed, which is 27. Then 4/3 pi times 27 is just 36 pi. If you wanted to go on and multiply the 36 times 3.14, you could do that and get an approximate answer. Typically I don't do that. Sometimes in the past I have, just for your benefit, but I just assume leave it as pi. I think it's just easier that way. I don't feel like doing the extra calculations. So that's volume of a sphere, pretty simple. And then we've got volume of a cylinder. So volume of a cylinder is pi times the radius squared, so you might recognize that as being the area of the circle, and then all I'm really doing is multiplying that by the height. So given the following cylinder, the base has a radius of 4 and the height of 7. I'm just taking that 4, plugging it in, so I got pi times 4 squared times 7, which is then equal to pi times 16 times 7, which is 112 pi. Pretty straightforward and simple on those. That's really all you need to know how to do volume. That's really it. I do have another little cheat sheet for you, if you will, with a bunch of the formulas on it. So let's get that where we can see the whole thing, hopefully. There we go. So little areas of triangles and circles and so on. If you want to write those down and use them on your final, then that'll be fine. It might be a little easier to see this because of the way it's organized versus the one that I gave you earlier. It's entirely up to you, whatever you want to do here. So I'll be seeing you in class. Good luck on everything, and I hope you guys have enjoyed your geometry class, and I'll see you around.